Learning to split, guys. Learning to split. I'm starting from this motion. Oh. I'm here again with the next exercising video. Remember now, I'm a beginner. I don't know nothing about exercising. I realize that I feel like my immune system dropping. I start to run in one spot like this. I start to run in one spot like this because I realize if I'm going to catch fever or anything, I'll do it. But my son will tell me, Mommy, when you're running in one spot, let your knee come all the way up to your stomach. So I'm going to start off with that right now, running in one spot for, say 20. I'm going to do 20 running in one spot. I can't even count, so you count for me, guys. So I'm running in one spot. Oh, and I can't run, so sit with me. Alright, I'm going to try to bring my knee straight up to my stomach, and I'm pulling in my stomach as I go along. I'm trying. I want to stop already. Oh God. So damn busy. Oh gosh. I'm tired. Listen, I don't believe getting in shape. You should work yourself till you're tired. I'm tired. I ain't doing it anymore. Okay. I think you should do a little and a little so your body get moving and get into it. So your body gets into it, then you know, you go a little further, but maybe kill myself. Maybe my arteries them not even strong enough to manage. So, yeah, so okay, so what I used to could do, I used to could split, but now I realize I can't split. So, what's that? Alright, let me do this one first. Ooh, oh gosh. So I stretch underneath here, so. May I stretch underneath right here, so. Hey, mercy. Ooh. Oh, Jesus. I'm supposed to go back and front. Back and front. Ay. Jesus. Oh, God. Hey, no, sir. Hey, Alright. I'm doing it one more time. So it's 5 times. And then count to 10. So I'm doing it 5 times. So this is why this, because I used to could split, you know, but no, I can't split. So see, I'm not doing bad. Look at the distance between the chair. And I'm showing you all of the exercise, you know. I'm gonna do some off camera because I don't want the video to be too long. And I don't want to continue laugh after me. I hope you're not laughing. I'm join me, support me. I need the support. I need the motivation because I have one son here. He don't support me. And who knows that when you're exercising, you need support. Okay, I'm talking to buy time to rest. So, wait, that back side let me drop. Ooh, the chair sliding. Hey, ooh. Alright, I'm supposed to go out and in. Out. I've been watching YouTube videos, you know. Out and in. Oh God, I'm just going to run that up. Run it out. Alright. So, because I don't know to do push-up, this is what I see the guy do. He say you must lean to the wall and push in and push up. But what I'm going to do is lean to the wall, push. So, man, do it right. Don't just stop now. I do it right.
I didn't even know.
Is the wall push up?
Trust me, you redefine the laws of exercise right now, you know.
May I feel it in my hand though?
Trust me, any movement you're supposed to do, you're supposed to feel it.
What the guy was saying, when you just start doing push-up, you work on your upper body first. But pity don't know, my upper body can move. But not the lower body. Them part of my glutes, them, oh God. Them time, I just run, I do the running. Because something Orion did I teach me. My instructor Orion, yes, oh God. You know when you stop watching my video, then he used to teach me something. Well, not the 10 I each things in the car. I feel that in here, so I'm not sure if I in here, so if I feel it. I used to be very fit, you know. Don't know where I get this laziness from. Okay, so I'm supposed to do some stretching now. Pause the video, come and remember how we're stretching. Go back on YouTube. So, oh, one more. Never make it sure catch one walk right down. Foot dirty punch. Oh, fuck. I don't know if you're supposed to hold on, but that hurts. 1, 2, 3. Ow. 4, 5. Oh God, let me just remove that. Alright, we see the one when we do like this. I feel me teeth in a while ago. What was that? I'll do it again. How can I feel my teeth? You say carry your knees straight down to your... No, sorry, carry your head down to your knee. And while you're doing that, ow, I feel my teeth again. I mean, I have a bad tooth. I need to go to the dentist. Oh God.
No, that one just make you feel the burning in your teeth.
I'm telling me I feel that in my chest. Or something I feel the pain in my chest behind them. I feel it. I feel it in my waist here, so. This one, I'm running out. I have a mirror in front of me. It motivates me to continue. This I don't want to go away. I don't want none of yours to go away.
You look good, jiggle up we had right now.
I know no. One space.
No, something there. No phone, no come off it there.
Me not run for pound come off, me run for get fit.
No, you are looking at glass.
No, me. You know, I'm going to shape. So I'm big gift close. Learning to split, guys. Learning to split. I'm starting from this motion. Ooh. Do you have to